Fiscal AJ, sa inyo pong profession bilang lawyer, kapag marami kayong kabastusan, kayabangan, at libelous actions online, maari po bang maging grounds ng disbarment yan? Paano po ang process? Yes po, no? Kasi at present, meron po kaming bagong code of professional responsibility and accountability. Just this year lang po, no? Nag-take effect, no? From the Supreme Court. And ang bagong innovation doon is yung provision ng responsible use of social media. So kami mga lawyers po, we are being mandated to be mindful of our actions in social media, the words we say. So pag merong kabastusan, merong kayabangan, all and you or like what you said, no, libelous yung mga sinasabi, then that can be a ground for disbarment. As to how a disbarment process goes, no, I will answer that po sa next na lang na live stream or in my recorded video kasi mahaba-habang ano po yan, discussion. So, it could be, kung gusto mo mag-file ng disbarment, you can file a disbarment complaint in the IBP, or if I remember right, pwede yung Supreme Court, no, mag motu proprio take action.